Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to clear personalized data on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to general management. Okay, tap this. Here in general management, go to Samsung keyboard settings. In Samsung keyboard, you can see below the reset to default settings. Okay, go to this. Here in reset to default settings, okay, you can see the clear personalized data. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this, and the pop-up below are show, okay, here, clear personalized data. Clear the personalized data that used for word prediction. And okay guys, to clear the personalized data, you'll have to do is tap the clear button. And that's it. We have successfully personalized data clear. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.